This is a test. This station is conducting a test of the emergency broadcasting system. This is only a test.
Welcome back, you bunch of grease monkey maniacs. Today's video is on the Kent Moore J44295 clutch pack tool. A few people from outside of the United States has asked for dimensions so that they might be able to manufacture their own, and that's what this video is all about. Now, please keep in mind that I do not own precision or highly precise tooling, so the dimensions are going to be maybe a little bit off, but it should be close enough to get you what you need. Okay guys, this is going to be a quick video on the clutch setup tool, and let's start off, I guess, with number one. Let's see, which one's number one? I think this is number one. I've already pre-measured all this stuff, and I don't know if you can see my measurements here, but I'll call them out for you, or I'll add pictures to the video. That way you can see what I've done. Now this one, I don't think the outside dimension is all that important. The inside dimension is fairly. This is where your shaft sits, and really all you want to do is make sure that this hole is big enough to set the collar on, and these surfaces are all square. Now I did measure the hole at 2.205. From the center to the outside edge here is 11.5 millimeters. Let's see. The next would be the ring, which is -2. Let's see, where is that? Okay. The outside diameter is 17.7 millimeters. The inside dimension is 4.8610. Let's see. Okay. The total width is 1.825. The step here is 1.322. This smaller step is 0.05, or excuse me, 0.505. And let's see, the next is the -3. And that is, let's see, the total length from end to end, which is B, is 16 millimeters. From the step to the bottom, which is A, is 5.845. Let's see here. The inside step here to the outside is 0.454. 0.454, yes. And really, the most critical dimension on this piece here is A, which is the 5.845. I don't really think that the height is critical, because, like I said, the most critical is that for everything to be square. The ring surface here needs to be square. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, yeah, this surface needs to be square. This surface with these three surfaces need to all be square with each other. This and this need to be square with each other, and of course this needs to be true and flat. All three pads. I mean, this could be a circle for all that matter. It doesn't matter. As you can see on the bottom, it's not a machine surface. Okay, so technically this thing could be at an angle, but as long as this piece of the tool is square with all this, and of course your ring, Well, really your ring is not going to be square with this tool because your clutches may be off just a hair. Okay, and that's why you take three dimension reading, is because you're going to average those three out and give you your shim thickness. So there you are, quick and simple. Some of the things I did in millimeters because I don't have any precision instruments to measure out past my calipers, which is I think a 6-inch. Yeah, that's a 6-inch caliper. If you want to donate a nice 12-inch caliper, I'll take it. Just let me know. I'll send you my address. So anyway, that's it for the tool, and that's it. Quick and simple.